The 3 ultimate vegetables to reverse vision decline. Naturally, your failing eyesight isn't just a natural part of getting older. Your retinas are literally starving to death in plain sight, suffocated by the modern blue light radiating from your screens right now. Every single day, millions of people accept blurry night vision, constant dry eyes, and escalating lens prescriptions as an unavoidable reality. They spend hundreds of dollars on artificial eye drops and synthetic glasses, completely unaware that the human eye possesses a profound built-in mechanism to repair and shield itself from macular degeneration. Welcome back to Wellness Lab. Today, we are bypassing the pharmaceutical cover-ups and diving straight into the hard clinical science of 3 powerful bioavailable vegetables that contain the exact cellular compounds needed to rebuild your macular pigment, sharpen your focus, and protect your vision for decades to come. Let's start with the undisputed king of retinal defense, organic raw cal. Your retina relies heavily on 2 specific carotenoids to survive, lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of these 2 compounds as internal, natural sunglasses for your eyes. They sit directly inside your macula, absorbing the dangerous shortwave blue light emitted by smartphones and computer monitors before it can strike and destroy your photoreceptor cells. Clinical studies have shown that the human body cannot produce lutein on its own. When you consume a single cup of fresh kale, you flood your bloodstream with over 11 milligrams of these vital pigments. This rapid absorption increases your macular pigment optical density, which directly sharpens your contrast sensitivity. This means you'll notice richer colors, sharper edges, and a drastic reduction in night driving glare. But here is a critical mistake most people make. Eating kale completely raw in a dry salad yields almost 0 eye benefits. Lutein is strictly fat-soluble. To unlock its true power, you must lightly steam your kale or blend it with a healthy fat source, like extra virgin olive oil or fresh avocado. This simple combination increases your gut's nutrient absorption rate by over 300%. Delivering the raw materials directly to your optic nerve. Next, we have to talk about the classic yet deeply misunderstood carrot. For decades, you've been told that carrots give you superhuman vision. While that might be an exaggeration, the underlying biochemistry is absolutely fascinating. Carrots are saturated with beta-carotene, an intensely powerful antioxidant that your liver immediately converts into vitamin A. Inside your eyes, vitamin A combines with a specialized protein to form a molecule called rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is the exact chemical responsible for allowing your eyes to see in low light conditions. If you experience mild blindness or blurred vision when walking into a dark room, your body is actively crying out for rhodopsin. By providing a steady daily dose of clean organic carrots, you keep your corneal moisture levels perfectly regulated, entirely eliminating the painful, gritty feeling of chronic dry eyes. Before we move to the final, most surprising vegetable on our list, share this video with someone you know who spends more than 4 hours a day staring at a computer or television screen. Their retinas will thank you. Finally, we unlock a vegetable that most people completely overlook for eye health, the vibrant red bell pepper. When people think of protecting their lenses from cataract formation, they automatically reach for citrus fruits like oranges. However, gram for gram, a raw red bell pepper contains nearly 3 times more vitamin C than a standard orange. Your eyes require an immense amount of oxygen to function, which makes them highly vulnerable to oxidative stress and free radical damage. Vitamin C is a master antioxidant that actively patrols the delicate fluid inside your eye lens, neutralizing free radicals before they can cloud your vision and trigger painful cataracts. Furthermore, red bell peppers provide a massive boost to the tiny microscopic capillaries that feed blood, oxygen, and vital nutrients directly to your retinas, keeping your intraocular pressure perfectly stabilized. Reversing vision strain doesn't require a radical lifestyle overhaul, it requires consistency. By combining lightly steamed kale, a handful of organic carrots, and crisp red bell peppers into your weekly meals, you are actively giving your eyes the biochemical shields they need to fight off modern environmental damage. Stop relying on temporary fixes. Feed your cells the living nutrients they deserve. Drop a comment below if you are currently struggling with dry eyes or screen fatigue, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep science-backed health secrets. Stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.